Did you know that in 2013 there were more than 3,000 homeless children living in the state of New Hampshire? These are children that, by no fault of their own, are forced to grow up in a world of frightening instability. The Families in Transition AmeriCorps Vista program recruits passionate individuals to volunteer in professional positions at organizations throughout the Granite State that create solutions to provide these children with more stability.
So the mission of Arts and Reach is to empower teen girls through mentoring in the arts. My most impactful experience working as a Vista at Arts and Reach has definitely been meeting the families that we work with, meeting the girls that we work with, and really seeing how this small organization has such a huge effect just in this pocket of New Hampshire.
CASA of New Hampshire, court-appointed special advocates, serves children who've been abused and neglected by providing an advocate for them in court to speak for their best interests in the court process.
I work with Early Learning New Hampshire, and their mission is to serve or to promote the education of New Hampshire's youngest. Just the networking and the relationships I've formed here have been really incredible.
So we're the Early Childhood Advisory Council, and our mission is to create and promote a comprehensive, coordinated early childhood system. New Hampshire's a small state, and kind of learning how everyone works together and seeing how much of an impact I can have on their work, just being here to help them out, has been really great.
So my host site is the Children's Alliance of New Hampshire, and we are a nonprofit child advocacy organization. Really amazing to see what could be accomplished from a dedicated group of individuals, hard work, and having a goal and fighting for it.
I work at the Department of Education with the Homelessness Office and the Migrant Education Program. The goal of these programs is to ensure that all children have the same access to quality public education.
My most impactful experience so far has been the very first meeting we held of the Higher Education Initiative. It was the first time that we brought people to the table that wanted to help with youth homelessness in New Hampshire, but really had no idea about the extent of it. So getting to see them start to realize what they needed to do and what they could do was a really powerful experience for me.
Vista has been amazing. Also, I have a far greater awareness of the struggles and the kinds of problems that exist.
There's over 3,000 homeless students in New Hampshire, and those are just the ones that we've been able to identify. Vista seemed like a great opportunity for me to build upon the education I received in college for business here at the Department of Education, and also continue to give back into the community.
Thank you to the members of the Families in Transition AmeriCorps Vista program for getting things done for the children of New Hampshire.
Go Vista!